Hello, if you have an electric range that's dirty and you want to get inside this to clean it, so first you need to unplug the electric. Make sure there is no electric before you open it up. So if you have one like mine, you can use a screwdriver, screw this so you can get inside and clean it. Just a minute. Yes. So now it's open. You can open this up and then put this one down and then clean the insides. Use clean wipes, sanitary wipes, and clean it. Then you can get it clean inside. Okay, after cleaning, then you can put it back. Just like this. Put it back. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye-bye.